wonderful today? I'm so blessed, and I know that you are as well. So you know what we're going to do? We're going to get right into this video. So y'all, we are going to continue on with our little rose gold home decor DIYs. So this one is going to be a candle and a candle holder, and I'm going to use this block. Well, I'm going to use two of these blocks, but I'm going to give one demonstration. And this square mirror, we're going to use this round mirror. We're going to use this clear little container, and it didn't have a top that come with it because it has multiple ones of these that screw on. I know that's kind of complicated, but so be it. I got this little candle holder from Hobby Lobby, y'all. It is so cute. We're going to use our clear glue and, of course, our beautiful rose gold gems. Okay, y'all. So this is probably going to get a little messy. Oh, and we are going to use, let me just tell y'all, we are going to use this diamond ribbon, but I took this off of something, so y'all are gonna see this red. So it doesn't, it's not supposed to be like that. It's just that I'm using this and I'm demonstrating. And so the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take this ribbon and we're gonna go around the edges of our squares. And you're only gonna do all the way around here, not here, not here, as far as the rhinestones. So I just wanted to say that before I started to put the rhinestones on, because I am not going to talk much. I am going to be visual, okay? Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is let it sit and let it dry. Okay, Glam Fam, so this is how it should look once it's done. All you have to do is, like, if you have any gems on the side, just take them off like that. It's just glue, so. Okay, so you can do that all the way around your block or whatever. So the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take the part that is still the wood. You should have two parts that are still wood. So what we're gonna do is take our mirrored squares and we're just gonna get some hot glue. And we're gonna go ahead and put these in place. Okay, everyone, so this is how it looks. It is so cute. I love it. So let me demonstrate how it's gonna look, styled. Okay, Glam Fam, so this is how our candle holders turned out. I think they are absolutely gorgeous. If you like what you see, you know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more glam DIYs.